Okay, I'm just trying to get this over. Okay. Well, you're just supposed to send messages to me if you want me to burp something on a video for you, and that's all you need to do. So, you know how, well, somebody said that I should try to go air for 5 minutes. But if I breathe air, I cough. Like that. So I cannot do that. But I can still go there. I just can't do so much air. Okay. Now I really have no idea what to do right now. Okay, this seems a little low. Moving the camera right here. I just want you to see my face. I'm dark. I'm dark. It's light. There's light. There's light. There's light. Okay. Okay, now I have to close the door so nobody gets mad at me for burping. Okay. I'm safe and sound in here in my room. Okay. Somebody commented that they think that I'm 5. I'm 7. Okay. I am 7. I'm only 7. Don't panic. Anyway, I guess if you say I'm 5 and it's okay. If I'm 7, that's better. Okay, so yeah, I'm 7. Okay. Now I'm just gonna walk around in circles for 20 seconds. I don't know how long though, to see how I can get an idea of it. Oh, maybe I should do another show about those normal random burps. I'm trying to do bigger burps this time. Like that. Okay. Now that one was like small if you're going for the super loud. Okay. Because if you're going for super loud, this is small. Because super loud is like the sound that breaks the windows. Really? I gotta fix this up. There. Those are my windows. Okay. And I'm not trying to break them. I'm not trying to break them at all. I'm just trying to see if they get cracks. Okay. No crack. That won't make budge. Okay, this is really not working. The windows aren't breaking at all. So, I'm gonna try something else. Okay, I've been practicing for this for a long time. I'm trying to sing a song with burps. Before I did any of those coughs was the end. Sorry. Okay. That was pretty much the end. Grand finale. Okay. Oh, it's pretty stupid to do this all the time, but I have to check the time again. Holy moly! It's almost like 5 minutes already.
Oh no.
No. Let's see if I can think of anything else. Not eating. Nope. This isn't anything I made. Let me say something. Okay. Okay. I have no idea what I should be doing right now. No. Oh no, gas problem. It's so better. Okay, you know what I say about gas problem? It does happen to you if something like, if you have if you burp too much, you're gonna have a gas problem and you need to burp again.
Very frustrating.
It's very frustrating, like I just said. It's so frustrating. You keep burping and you try to burp, but it's not working. And only one burp that you did randomly works. It's something that's a tip. And if it ever happened to you already before I put in this video, oh man, very, very bad. Now you can go away faster. It's gone for me. Okay. What do you want to do? 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 Oh.
Oops.
Let's see if the glass shatters. Not much. Let's check. Wait a second. No, we'll see.